All right, some big news that's coming in right now in connection to a couple of podcasters' comments raking a massive social media row. Now, complaint has been filed against podcasters. Complaint has been filed against podcasters for cross remarks. In fact, we're speaking about Ranveer Alabadia and Samay Raina. Complaint has been filed against these two. Hindu IT Cell has filed the complaint. In fact, in the complaint, Hindu IT Cell alleges that such shows and such podcasts and such comments hurt the social fabric of the country. In fact, the complaint is demanding for a content regulation, even on social media platforms.
इन्होंने कुछ ऐसी टिप्पणी की है विच टोटली हर्ट्स द सोशल फैब्रिक ऑफ द कंट्री। हमारे देश में माँ बाप को भगवान माना जाता है और ऐसी आपत्तिजनक टिप्पणी करना इज़ नॉट राइट, भले ही वो माँ बाप किसी और के हों। Our society is being driven by the customs and traditions, and such creators and such influencers are the black spot in the society. हमारा सरकार से एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है that such content should be monitored and strictly scrutinized, और ऐसे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को समन किया जाए, ना कि उन्हें अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया जाए। We hope that the strict action will be taken.
All right, joining us right now, my colleagues Shweta Verma and Nivedna Prabhu. Nivedna, first coming to you, help us understand what exactly happened here, the context of this entire controversy.
Alright, Ashish, so basically we do know that Samay Raina has had a brainchild in terms of the concept of India's Got Latent. Now, in terms of the aspect that this is on OTT, so the thin line between what happens here, the format of the show is roasting, and it's been quite successful and popular among the youth. Now, why this has gotten into trouble is because the format of roasting is as such that, of course, it's done in a comical way, but the really big question over here is how much is too much in the name of freedom of expression. Now, what really happened here is we do know popular podcaster, that is Ranveer Alabadia, has been extremely vocal on his podcast about several aspects, including about, he talks about leadership styles, he's had the opportunity to interview entrepreneurs or even on spirituality. But a particular crass comment while he was one of the judges on this show is what has got him into trouble. Moreover, what happens is that we're talking about people on this show who have extremely big popular fan bases as well. So now with that particular crass comment that was made, you also had Samay Raina, laughing at it along with Apurva Mukhija, who's known as the Rebel Kid online, as well as Ashish Chanchlani. Now, all of them are popular faces. Now, what this has done in terms of that particular comment has not just got backlash online, but has really gone on to question whether in the name of comedy, these kind of crass comments need to be made, especially when you have such a huge social media following is one aspect of it. The other being that the format of the show has always been like that. And moreover, with the aspect that we've seen on several occasions as well, in this particular show, considering the fact that it's on OTT, censorship has not been needed. In fact, if you happen to look at it from another perspective, this is not the first time that such comments have been made in terms of the viewpoints that all of them on the show have had. But with Ranveer having made that particular comment has not just got backlash, but it's really talking about how Indian comedy and how they're using their popularity in terms of this particular show and putting that together, which is what has got him into trouble. Along with him, of course, Samay Raina also being questioned, considering the fact that he's been the brainchild of this particular show, and with the aspect of the fact that now, a case has also been registered as far as hurting sentiments because of the fact, like I said initially, he has been vocal on a lot of aspects, including spirituality and religion as well. So for someone who's been the front runner for such topics, does it really contradict the kind of personality that you have while you're doing comedy, as opposed to using your own social media platform to be generating something?
Absolutely. Nivedna, also joining us is Shweta right now, and it's very interesting that you mention the kind of popularity that these content creators have had, and it's also ironic that Ranveer Alabadia, the man at the center of this controversy, also won the Disruptor of the Year award, and the Prime Minister himself had handed this award again puts the focus back on the kind of people that are becoming popular and also the kind of outrage that's there on social media. And speaking of outrage now, also joining us is Shweta Verma. Shweta, now that we have the context of what really happened there, the entire controversy, help us understand what exactly this complaint says, because again, there have been allegations of crass content on Samay Raina's show in the past as well. But again, a lot of it was overlooked. But with this time, seems like all lines have been crossed.
That's right, Ashish. In fact, under the name of dark comedy, the kind of content that is surfacing online is a subject to scrutiny now, and the latest one is to do with Ranveer Allahabadiya. Now, remember the name itself, fondly known as Beer Biceps, and he was also been awarded with the National Content Creator Award. And this time, Ranveer Allahabadiya finding himself in soup for various reasons that he had come to the show India's Got Latent, and his derogatory statement on parents, on various other stuff has in fact grabbed eyeballs. And this particular complaint is to do with his derogatory remark on parents and the relationship of the child. With this, as the letter has been reached out to police, in the complaint copy of the advocate Ashish Rai and Pankaj Mishra, it has been very importantly mentioned about the clippings of the derogatory comments that has been made by Ranveer Allahabadiya during the show. Also, what comment did he give, that has also been mentioned. And the similar police complaint copy alongside a copy of complaint has also been sent to the NCW New Delhi as well as in Mumbai also. So here also we are understanding that National Women Commission is also being looped in, and strict action is being demanded on Ranveer Allahabadiya for the kind of derogatory comment he made on the relationship of a child and parents. And here we have seen that not only the police complaint, in fact we are seeing that how the social media is also hugely criticizing Ranveer Allahabadiya for this. To name a few, we have seen renowned lyricist Manoj Muntashir. Even he has taken to X, and he has also expressed his displeasure, talking about such vulgar content is becoming on a routine basis day by day, and strict action needs to be taken. In the similar pattern also, if we just see the police complaint copy also notifies certain use of language, certain comments that has been made by Ranveer Allahabadiya during the show that is run by Samay Raina, and he was as a guest that time in the episode. And the kind of statement that he has made use has really not gone well with each and every section of the society. And here we are seeing from Hindu IT cell to renowned people, celebrities, and now it has come down to a legal course of action where the Bombay High Court advocate Ashish Rai and Pankaj Mishra has written a police complaint against Ranveer Allahabadiya alongside attaching the complaint copy to NCW New Delhi.
Absolutely, Shweta. Freedom of expression, of course, is paramount, but responsibility also and accountability has to be fixed when it comes to such shows, which is, again, very easily accessible even to children on an open platform like YouTube. So, again, trouble seems ahead for Samay Raina and Ranveer Allahabadiya. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you for more details on that particular case and also the investigation that will now follow.